It's been like a month. Just had 100 million things going on and been super duper overwhelmed. So we're gonna start The Secret again today and go from there because that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Oh, all right. So, Himetsu. 僕は人に言えない秘密があります。I have a secret that I can't tell other people. この秘密を人に何してはいけません。I should not talk about it to other people. 多分このアパートに住めなくこのアパートに住めなくなるでしょう。I probably will not be able to live in this apartment. だから大家さんにバフではいけません。So, I should not let my landlord know about it. その秘密は僕が飼っている猫です。The secret is my cat. 猫の名前はTORA-SANです。Her name is TORA-SAN. 黄色と黒のしま模様なのでトラさんと名付けました。Since TORA-SAN has the black and yellow striped pattern, okay, I named her TORA-SAN. 僕のアパートはペットを飼ってはいけません。My apartment does not allow pets. In my apartment, pets are not allowed. 大家さんは動物が This is a kanji with no furigana. 木じゃないかもしれません。The landlord probably does not like animals. 大家さんは少し怖いので、トラさんはその感じにして方がいいです。Something about the landlord being scary and TORA-SAN being good. The landlord is a little scary, so I should keep TORA-SAN a secret. Alright. TORA-SAN は3月前に上司に moraimashita. I got TORA-SAN when she was 3 months. Oh, 3 months from my boss 3 months ago. 上司は子猫を3匹飼っていました。My boss had 3 kittens. だから僕に子猫を一匹くれました。So I took 1 kitten. それがTORA-SAN でした。And that was TORA-SAN. And that was one really gross, really challenging page of Himetsu desu. And that's gonna be it. But weirdly, it felt cruddy, but like I was good at other things and picked up some stuff I didn't do before. So, I'll call this a test of what happens when I wait 4 weeks between readings. Okay, ciao!